These are mystery vehicles and figures from Star Wars Micro Galaxy Squadron. You buy these, and there's a mystery figure inside. Shows you there. They're called Scout Class. There are about 8 different figures you can get. One of them is a chase piece, and that there, sort of given it like my thumbs are there, that's the actual size of them. So I've had a few of these for a little while. I haven't opened them up. I've bought more of the bigger ones. Like these will actually fit into, just put the camera up a bit, fit inside one of these Imperial troop ships. But they'll fit in others as well. But we're going to open these up. Duck that down there. But there's a couple of things I want to show you first. And I didn't realise, and I think it probably has a fair bit of significance. On the side here, we've got that number, SWJ 0032 070122 KX. Now, I think that signifies which figure is in there. I won't know until I open them up, but I'll grab another one of these. That one's a different number. That's 061322 KX. Then I've got 2 of these and 3. That's 061322 KX. So it's 2 of those, and I've got 3 of the other. So I don't know whether that means we've got 3 of one and 2 of another or not. But anyway, we're going to open them up and we'll have a look. So we'll open up one of these ones first, if we can figure out how. And of course, it's got the sticky tape on it. Let's see what we've got. I don't know what they look like. I've never seen them before. And there we go. What have we got there? Oh, that's Ahsoka. Ahsoka on her speeder. Well, that's pretty cool. Now, I'll show you the download with PDF of the series that you can get, the Series 1, and it shows all of these different vehicles. My camera's not focusing on those real well. There we go. And yeah, here's that. It's a PDF file. It'll show you Series 1, 2, and 3. I've cropped it just to show these. And this one, I'm pretty sure that's Ahsoka. Pretty sure. Anyway, we'll get this out. These are tiny figures. They are tiny. Now let's see if I can show you her. Is it going to zoom in on her? Oh, yeah, it does. So look, her legs move. Her arms move. All right, focus. For something that small, it's pretty bloody awesome that everything moves. So yeah, okay, we'll get the speeder out. Without breaking anything. They're in there fairly well. They're not going to move about too quick. So there's a speeder. She sits on that. I reckon these are cool. I like them. And there's also sure what that one actually says. Because it's so clear, it doesn't want to focus. That's the actual stand. You can see there it says Star Wars, but it's back to front. So let me set that up and I'll show you. So I haven't got it sitting on there properly, but that's what it looks like. I reckon that's fairly cool. I like that. Anyway, we'll open up these other ones. See what I actually got. Whether I got 3 of her, or 2 of her, or I don't know. We'll just see. I'll keep everything because I'll probably put these back in there because no doubt you'll lose them. So the first one I opened up was 071 0700 070122. This one's the same. Oh no, hang on. We'll find one the same. Not that one. This one is. And that sort of shows you there. So that's what we just got there. That's Osaka, I think. And these says chase vehicles here. There's 2 rare, or sort of rare, and 1 chase. And the chase is actually a speeder with a stormtrooper with Grogu. Anyway, we'll open this one up. See if it's exactly the same. If it is, oh well. That's what you get for buying mystery bloody models, I suppose. Oh, my. What have we got? Looks like Osaka again. Yes, it is. So, now we know the number codes. I can't see that too well. There you go. Now we know the number codes. When I go back to the shop again, I'll be sifting through to get different ones. So we'll open this one up, which is another, should be another Osaka. No, it's not. That's the same number. It's, oh, well, that's just blown my theory out of the water, because that's a Star Trooper. Stormtrooper. Oh, okay. There you go. Let's see if we can get that into focus. So that's another speeder with the Stormtrooper. That's pretty cool. I'm not going to pull these out now. We're just going to have a look at them because I'll lose them otherwise. But, yeah. Oh, that's cool. So we've got 2 Osaka and a Stormtrooper, which is the number 1 dude there. Yep. Or is it? Oh, I don't know. I can't tell. Yeah, it looks like him to me, that one. I'll have to check on that sheet. Anyway, let's open up another one then. These two are the same numbers, but not the same numbers that we just opened up. What have we got? Don't know. Can't tell. Oh, that's oh God, what's his name? Help me out, people. Oh, hang on, I'll have to check. So that's Darth Maul. It's not a rare one. So that's Darth Maul. Not a rare one, but yeah, my theory on the bloody numbers is totally wrong. But that's cool. I like that. So that's three different sorts so far. After I lost one, we've got two left to open up. I wonder what we'll get. Oh, we got the what was it? The AT-AT. Is it an AT-AT? I'm not quite bloody sure now. So that's cool. Got a different one again. I'll flash up on here what it's actually called. I can't remember these. I'm too old for this shit. Anyway, so we'll open up. We got two Osakas, the Walker, Darth Maul, and the Endor Speeder. And this is the last one. Another Darth Maul. So my theory on the numbers definitely didn't make any difference. But these are cool. I like them. Yeah, you can put these together, put them in the ships, use them. I just like them. So the numbers didn't work. Very interesting. Yeah, see, I thought that was a bit of a clue onto how you could tell these apart. I don't think there's any other numbers apart from the actual barcodes. The barcodes are all the same. So there's no other distinguishing factors. But anyway, that's cool. I like them. I'll be getting more. You can find them in your Toy World here in Australia. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hooroo.